Hey y'all, hey, y'all see the prompt bills and the real cash, so you know what time it is. It's time to stuff some saving challenges. Let go. Hey y'all, hey, it's D. So for today, I will be cash stuffing a total of $35. $6 we're going towards my 20 and 24. I will be allocating a total of $4 toward my fries challenge, and $2 will be going towards my 2 for 2, $7 for my books mini, $6 towards my clutch, and $10 spending money. So let's get started. So I will be starting with my 20 and 24 low income savings challenge. I am batch recording because I will be going on vacation in the month of October. So I'm trying to get as much as I can get done in advance, more than usual, so I don't have to worry about it when I come back. So today, this challenge will be getting a total of $6. I will be coloring in this 4 and this 2. And I will be saving a total of $72 with this challenge. And as you see, I am almost finished. This challenge, if I roll an even number, $2 will be going towards my favorite fries, i.e. the real fries, crinkle fries, and the nasty fries, i.e. the baby fries or the shoestring fries. If I roll an odd number, it will be getting $1. And let's just roll this dice. Okay, so let's see what we roll today. Alrighty, that's a 12, so that's $2 for the real fries. And let's see, and a 4. So the real fries is coming on top. Alrighty, so I did allocate a total of $4 for this challenge, and it will be getting $4. Alrighty, so it has been real fries October. So 2 and 4. Alrighty, so I have 2 more left on the crinkle fries. Once I finish one of these challenges, which most likely will be the crinkle fries, i.e. the real fries, I will stop these challenges. And yeah, y'all, let's get into the next challenge. And this challenge is also part of the Friday saving challenge started by Nigel from Budget and Bacon. This 2 for 2 deal challenge is by my girl Nine Blossoms, and today I will be allocating a total of $2 for this challenge. And this is almost the last burger on this challenge, and mine will be a turkey burger because your girl does not eat beef. And the last savings challenge, books savings challenge, and I will be finishing out this challenge. I will be allocating a total of $7. So as I stated in previous videos, I'm trying to knock out as many challenges as I can. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, I'm trying to knock out as many challenges as I can before the end of the year. So done 9-24. So yeah, another challenge is done for the year. Let me go ahead and add this to my savings challenge log while I am here. This will be the second challenge I finished in the month of September, and that was the books mini. And with that challenge, I saved a total of $15. And this $15 will be going to my vehicle essentials. If you are new here, I am trying to beef up this account as much as I can. I have some major car repairs I have coming up here, and my car is running a little funny. So I did purchase me a car warranty over the last month or so, because it's giving that transmission type problem vibes. And yeah, I'm not trying to pay the transmission type bill, so I went ahead and got me a car warranty, and I'll let y'all know how that goes. I did try a home warranty late last year and early this year, and I didn't like it, but we shall see how this car warranty works. So that is it for my digital challenges. Now let's cash stuff. Alrighty, so most of my challenges are in here, and today, the 24th, I allocated a total of $6 towards this. So 5 and 6. It is exciting to be able to cash more money now since I did acquire a part-time job. It has really been helping out. Ideally, I would like a little bit more hours, but I'm just gonna take what I can get right now. And this is the fries challenge, and yeah, the crinkle fries got a total of $4, and that's a total of 4 added. Y'all, the real fries is about to come out on top. What I tell y'all in one of my videos, crinkle fries about to win up in this joint. And the 2 for 2 deal, which is my challenge by 9 Blossoms, it got a total allocation of $2. And the book savings challenge, this one I actually finished, and it got a total of $7. 5 and 7. $15 here, so 5, 10, 12, 14, and 15. So I will be inserting a screenshot showing that I transferred the $15 from my fund spending to my vehicles essentials, and I will start another challenge later. Alrighty, so now let's get into my other saving challenges. Yeah, now let's get into my easy saving challenge book, available on Amazon hard copy or digital copy, available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. So in this one, I am working on Clutch Them Coins challenge, and as I stated, I will be allocating a total of $6 to this challenge. So I have been able to, as I stated, stuff more money because of the part-time job that I did acquire at the end of July. And since I got that, I have been extra motivated to save money because over the last 2 years, my income has been extremely low. And I have been depending on the money I make from apps more than I would have liked. But the apps have really helped me get through those tough years of making a extremely low income. So my income was basically cut in half for the last 2 years. And yeah, y'all, the part-time job really helped bring in some more stable income. And hopefully here in the near future, I will have another opportunity to bring in some more money so I can have even more stable income. So all my incomes are variable, and working with a variable income is not easy. Earlier in my career, I was salary for so long. So when I started working with a variable income back in 2020, it was a huge learning curve for me. But I found out if I budget for the least amount that I expect for the month, then that helps. And any money I make over that, or any money that I save from my bills, I usually allocate those funds to particular goals that I have, as in saving or paying down my mortgage. But it is tricky. So working with a variable and single income is tricky, but it is possible. So let me color in these last two, and I shall return. Okay, I am almost finished coloring this, and it's exciting to be able to wrap up most of these challenges probably in the tail end of October or early November if everything goes as planned. Yeah, 1 for a row and 2 on this row, and I will be done. Okay, so now let's cash stuff this $6 for the clutch, and 5 and 6. So yeah, y'all, trying to save 28, and I'm more than halfway done with this, and that will be it for this binder. So now let's get into this binder right here, which I got from Miss Frugal. I will have her link down below. She does have a website where she sells different budgeting items, including binders. She has a dice holder thing and some saving challenges, so make sure you check her out. But this has nothing but real cash in here, and I really do like this binder. I usually like to get things that are different than most people in pretty much every aspect of my life. So as you see, that most of my binders are a little bit different than everybody else using the cash stuffing community and the budgeting community, but I do that on purpose because I don't like being like everybody else. So today I will be allocating a total of $2, and I'm using my dollar bill saving challenge to save up some money to put actually in my wallet. I have found out that if I keep small bills in my wallet or any cash, I will pretty much blow it on any and everything and be mad because I won't remember what I spent it on. So using the dollar bills to save up $100, because each circle is worth $2, and I have a total of 50 circles. So we're just going to keep cash stuffing this with the real cash until I get to 50 or $100. And we're just going to add, these are some real crispy new 5s. Gonna add this to the mix, and I have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have $30 saved. And if you're new here, I haven't been giving myself any spending money for probably about 2 years. And that's because my income was sharply decreased, as I said before. And I'm trying to get back in the swing of things of, you know, treating myself and getting some things that I actually do want in life, instead of just sitting here paying bills, paying down a mortgage, and, you know, saving money and not actually doing nothing for myself. So today we finished the books mini saving challenge, save $15. And y'all, that is the end of my video. If you made it to the end, leave me a book emoji or hashtag books. Alrighty, y'all. So don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.